Hey guys, Tiger Lily here, and today we are going to do a quick and easy wig carrier tutorial. So when I had finished my cosplay and I was like ready to, go to the con, I didn't really think about what I was going to carry my wig in because I had never used a wig before. So this is just what I did to quickly put together something that I could use that wasn't going to damage my wig. So you're going to need scissors, hairpins, cardboard, and your wig head, obviously, with the wig. And then finally, you're going to want to find one of those reusable shopping bags, but like very big, so that it's high enough so that the wig head can go into the bag without being seen, and wide enough so that there's some space between the wig head and the edges of the bag. So what you're going to do is you are going to cut the cardboard to the size of the bottom of the bag. So I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it again, but you just want to kind of guesstimate it with your eyes. And then just double check when you're done. And then what you're going to do is you're going to position the wig head in the middle of the cardboard. And you're going to take your pins and carefully push the pins through the cardboard into the sides of the wig head and kind of angle the pins slightly inward, so toward the center of the wig head, so that it stays in place. And I used about 6 pins for it to stay, and it was fine, but use as many as you want. Again, just be careful while you're doing this. Your goal is just to like secure it in place and make sure it doesn't move. Alright, so here we go. Got the wig head on, it's sturdy, and now you're gonna carefully put it into the bag. You might want to ask a friend to help you if you're nervous about damaging your wig. But yeah, just put it into the bag and you're done. And that's it. So easy. I'm sure there's a lot of better ways that you can travel with your wig, but this is just what worked for me and what I did when I didn't have time to purchase a real carrier. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped. I'm gonna probably release more tutorial videos like this on cosplay, so if you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it. See you guys later.